In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Postmark server API token. This is the secure key your app needs to authenticate with Postmark, whether you're sending through the API or via SMTP. We'll move step by step, keep it simple, and add a few practical tips so you know exactly what to look for and how to handle the token safely. First, sign in to your Postmark account. Head to account.postmarkapp.com and log in. You'll land on your dashboard, which lists your resources and navigation options. Next, open your servers. In the navigation, either in the sidebar or along the top, click Servers. You'll see a list of servers that represent different environments or projects, such as production or staging. Choose the server you want to use for sending emails. It's important to pick the right one because API tokens are scoped to the specific server you select. Inside that server, locate the API tokens section. This is usually found within the server's settings under a tab or section labeled API tokens. That section is dedicated to credentials, and it's where Postmark lists your server API tokens. You'll see one or more tokens displayed as long alphanumeric strings. Find the token you want to use and click Copy. That puts the token on your clipboard so you can paste it into your application or configuration later. Treat this token like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't paste it into screenshots or messages, and never commit it to source control. A common best practice is to store it in a secure environment variable, then reference that variable in your code. If you ever suspect the token was exposed, rotate it in Postmark and update your app with the new value. A quick note on usage. This server token is the credential you use for sending emails through Postmark's API, and it also works for SMTP sending. If you're using a library or framework, you'll typically paste the token into the configuration field that asks for your Postmark server token or API key. If you're using plain SMTP, the token acts as the password in your SMTP settings. That's it. Sign in, open servers, pick the right server, go to API tokens, and copy the token you need. With that token in hand and stored securely, you're ready to authenticate your app and start sending with Postmark. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, you're all set to move on to integrating the token into your code or deployment environment.